going on from here, let's have a look at the second method that I mentioned. So doing the session key import, this is also called the master secret key. So here we are actually not getting the private key anymore. We are stealing we are exporting the key which is used for the symmetric encryption part. So if we go a couple of slides back, so remember, this is the key that is used for the back and forth symmetric encryption. So it's the key that is after the handshake has been accomplished and we have done the first initial communication. Then we agree on this symmetric key, which is used for decrypting and encrypting the traffic. This is only valid as long as the session is active. So this can be used by our browser as long as the session is active. When the session dies, then a new key is generated. So if we get the browser to export that key, then we can actually decrypt the traffic in more or less the same way. So let's have a look at how that works. So first we need to create a system environment variable. This will be used to export the key by the browser. So we need to go into advanced system settings, environment variables, and add a new system variable there. So let's do that here. So I have my advanced system settings there. We go into environment variables and new, and then we give it the variable name which it says there. So we call it SSL key log file, and we'll place it in the folder where we already placed the public key. So let's put it there, and we call it ssl.log. So now it should be there. We'll say OK, OK, and OK. So now the system key should be there. Let's remove the private key that we had installed before, so that we only have the session key and not the private key. So let's remove that here. Say OK, OK. Now you can see it's back to not being decrypted. So we're back to getting application data which is in an encrypted form, because we removed the private key. So now let's install that session key that we just saw earlier. So we go in the same place as before, transport layer settings, and then we select that key. So we enter the location that we entered in the system variable, so ssl.log, and we click OK. And now we should probably refresh our browser. So let's do that. I'll do a new capture, continue without saving, and then we go into the browser, Chrome, there it is, and we refresh that page. So let's see what happens now.